Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So Madam Glam was kind enough to send me over some polishes from their collection for the month of November. So the first color is Divine Glam, which is a nice shade of brown, perfect for the fall season. Really pretty. I could see that with some gold stamping or gold stickers on top of that. The next color is Purple Era, which is a regal purple. It's not too bright and it's not that dark. I think it's a great shade of purple as well. This could be used, I think, all year round. To me, this is a year-round purple. Again, my opinion. The next color is Scorpio Season, which is a deep teal. You guys know I love blue, and this was a nice shade of blue for me. Nice shade. Okay. The next color, I'm going to tear this up, Astral Projection. This is another color that is in the blue family as well. It's a little lighter than Scorpio Season. Very pretty as well. I see both of those as year-round colors. Just depending upon what you prefer. The next color is a total of 8 colors, by the way, is Astro Pie. To me, this was a pumpkin pie orange. Really pretty. Again, perfect for fall. It's like a muted shade of orange. Not too bright, not too dark, somewhere in between. The next color is Autumn Aura. And this is a peach shade. It looks orange to me, but according to the site, it is more of a peach color. To me, this is like a good neutral color. Again, I think this is a year-round color as well. The next color is Pure Nature, which is an earthy green. That's just a great description for this color, earthy green. It could be used in the fall or it could be used in the spring, summer as well. Nice shade of green if you are a person that loves the color green. The next color is Milky Way. Now the site said it's milky white, but the label looks green, and so I couldn't tell if this was more of it pulled gray to me, and I don't know how it's pulling gray on camera to me as well. But the site said it's a milky white, and here are all of the colors swatched on swatch sticks all together. And this collection again was released this month, the month of November, by Madam Glam. And so these are all the colors in the collection. This collection is the House of Giving collection, released this month. So thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these polishes to feature on my channel. So we're getting into this application. So I have my mani glove on. I have on 1 coat of Holo Taco Pilly base, just for easy pop off removal of my gel polish. And so I'm going in with a thin layer of gel base coat, and I'm going to then cure for 30 seconds. And as a reminder, Madam Glam gel polishes are 21 free, cruelty free, vegan, palm oil free, and HEMA free. And so get you some. But before I go, because I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that color and again cure. Before I go, I need to tell you about Madam Glam's VIP program. I myself am a VIP member, and so you pay $29 a month and you receive a $29 credit. You can sign up during, like, if you signed up this month, you have until the next month to decide before you are charged. And what it does, it gives you access to early releases. Like if you were VIP, you would have had access to this House of November or Giving collection that released this month before they released it to everyone else. You also purchase your polishes for a 50% off all the time. So if one polish is $24.99, of course you're basically buying 2 polishes for the price of 1, and also you get free shipping. Now I understand $29 is a huge commitment because, you know, Christmas is coming up, let's be clear, and so I do have a discount code that will be in the description box below that saves you, I believe it's 35% off of your purchase. And I'll also have the bit.ly link that will take you directly to the site and introduce my coupon code. It's just upon checkout you would select the pay as you go option. So I'm going in with a very thin layer, or as thin as I can get it, because I am a DIYer here. So I'm going in with a thin layer of polish on all nails. No, I do not show all nails on film. And I'm just applying that, and then I'm using a nail brush with alcohol to do any cleanup for polish that I may get on my skin before curing. And you want to try to avoid getting polish on your skin, but sometimes you just can't help it. But you want to make sure you get that off as soon as possible. And so I decided to use Astro Pie, Divine Glam, and Milky Way in this set. And so I'm applying a thin layer of color to my nails. I will then cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I'll go in and apply another thin layer of color to all nails and cure for 30 seconds. And if you're wondering why I'm not going all the way to the cuticle area, you can see my nails have grown out. This is just 7-day growth. Some nails grow out faster than the others, and I was not doing a fill in order to do a video. So that's why you don't see my polish go all the way down completely to the cuticle area, because my builder gel overlay has grown out. So once I get the color on all nails, guys, I'm going to use some water slide decals. Y'all know I love to add some extraness to my nails. I can't help myself. And so I have these water slide decals from Ooh Coco Designs. And this set is colorful pumpkins. I've used them before, but you can see all of the decals on that sheet. I'm cutting out the 2 decals up top because they incorporate the colors of the mani, and I'm going to spray them with water. While I wait for the water to release the decal from the paper backing, I'm going to apply a thin coat of Madam Glam's base gel on all nails and cure for 30 seconds because I want to get a good tacky layer. And so I'm removing excess water from the decal, and I'm just going to use my hands. Usually I place them with a stamper, but this time I just slid it off the paper, and I'm going to get that as smooth as possible on the nail. It was easy to move around because it was gel base coat, and so once I get that pressed down the way I want it to, I'm going to use a different nail brush and acetone to remove the excess decal. And it slid around. It kind of scared me at first. I was like, why is it sliding around so bad? But it eventually stuck to the nail, and I was right with the world. And so once I got the decal where I wanted it to be, I do go in, once I clean it up as well, I do go in and apply another layer of Madam Glam's gel base coat and cure for 30 seconds, and then I apply a layer of top coat and cure for 30 seconds. And it was just easier for me to cut off the excess decal from that was hanging over the nail. It was just easier. And then, like I said, I'm going in with a nail brush and acetone to kind of melt that decal into the nail. And again, it took some time. I don't do it all on camera because it took a while, because these decals are a little bit thicker, but it's okay. They work well and they're very pretty. And so once I get my nails, another layer of base coat applied on top of those decals, you can see it's shiny because I got that cleaned up and applied base coat. Once I go in and apply the base coat cure, And I've did that off camera. Now I'm going in with Madam Glam's the No Wipe Top Coat, and I will apply a thin layer of that to all nails and cure it as well. And then I'm going to apply some cuticle oil because you need to rehydrate your skin and your nails. So here is the finished look. Nails nice and shiny. As mentioned earlier, I'm going to go in and apply Madam Glam's Elixir, which is one of their cuticle oils that they sell via their site. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. And so I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time.